Hello guys, how are you today? It's Winnie K here again with another vlog. I hope you're fine. I know most people are not okay because of what has been happening in the country. My prayers goes to everyone that has been affected by the maandamanos and everything, and may God see you through. For those who have lost loved ones and those who have lost businesses and those who got injured, I speak healing upon you. So in today's vlog, yesterday Monday I was at Panama. I just went to window shop. It was my first time there and I think I loved everything there. Everything is fancy, although it cost an arm and a leg, but I think it's worth it. Look at that basket, that storage basket. It's worth it. I think I'm going to go for it. And also I eyed that air freshener. There is variety, but I hide that one, so I might go for it as well. Hapa tumerudi joto, and as you can see I was prepared to cook my food that I wanted to eat, broccoli and potatoes. So I tried to warm my leftovers and one egg that I had left, and that was my supper for yesterday Monday. Yeah.
Life's a rhythm, moving to the beat. Every heartbeat drops, feel it in your feet. Lights are flashing, night is just beginning. Let go of your worries, let the moment be witness. Dive in deep, let the music take flight. In this haze, everything feels so right. Light your sparkles, make it last. Feel the energy that gets us high. Making this change, every baseline, touching my dance with the shadows, chasing the night. This is our moment. Nothing feels so good. Let go of your worries. Let the moment be winning. We dive in deep. Let the music take flight. Let's